Right people, we're back. Today we've got a big boy for you. Nice big lorry. We're going to give it the full exterior clean. I'll talk you through step by step what we're doing. Let's go. Nice one for tuning in, everyone. Let me know in the comments below where you're from, what country, what city you're watching it in. So this lorry was booked in for a deep clean. We've already blitzed the inside. I'll show you that later on in the video. But yeah, we're going to get cracking with the outside. So first of all, we give it a little jet wash down before we give it the full pre-wash. So step one, we're going to use Nitty Gritty by Dual Auto Care. Big up the boys. We're just going to spray it all over, pre-wash the whole van before doing the contact wash. Just to make sure all the little bits of grime are washed off before doing the contact wash. So no scratches. We're scratch free in the whole time of doing this business. We want to keep it that way. Step 2, time to jet wash the pre-wash off. I'm going to add a little bit of treble X onto all the wheels to get up off all that grime. That tough grime that gets on the lorry wheels, they don't get much loving. Got to spray the wheels. Very strong stuff, the treble X, so you don't want to leave it on your wheels for too long. Like some wheels you can't even use this product on because it ruins them. But nice strong wheels like this can withstand the power of the treble X. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button, go and check out the channel, loads of more videos like this, and don't forget to let me know where you are in the comments, whatever town, whatever city, go drop where you're from, even your country flag or the country name, I want to see it. Right, step 3, it's snow firm time. We're using dual auto care assault. Big up the boys again on this one. Make sure you check the link below. I'm going to drop the link below to dual auto care so you can check out all the products. Quick one for everyone watching, what snow foam do you use on your vehicle? Put it in the comments below, let me know. Love to just see what everyone else is using. But this is definitely one to try out, dual auto care assault. Time for a bit of ASMR for all you ASMR lovers and all you oddly satisfying lovers. This is your time. So I'm going to leave it here for one sec. Here's the fun part, jet washing it off. So it's time to get all the snow foam off, get all that leftover grit that was left on after the pre-wash, just so it's nice and safe to do the contact wash. Enjoy the show, people. Big shout out to the Robert Walker's lorries for booking us in. They get us in all the time to do the lorries. If you're in the lorry industry yourself around Manchester or own a lorry business, feel free to give us an email. Our email's in our bio and we'll come and check your vans out, book you in, get them sorted for you. Get them feeling like when you first bought them. So it's time for the contact wash. We're going to use another Dual Auto Care product. This is Bahama Blue shampoo. One of the best in the business. This is our go-to shampoo. Lets off a lovely smell. Reminds you of being on holiday or something like that. Like a holiday smell. Nice and soapy and foamy, should I say. So I know there's a big thing about brushes. This isn't a garden brush before everyone jumps in the comments and says it. This is a Viking brush, nice and soft, pretty much like a mitt, just on a brush. Nice and safe for the vehicle. And we're going to get brushing. Had to check if there was anything we could use as like a ladder kind of thing, just so we could reach the top. Unfortunately, we're not the tallest bunch of lads, so we just had to make do with this little barrel. But we did a pretty good job. Yeah, makes sense.
If you want the outside, the outside looking for it.
doing all the final touches now, jet washing off the remaining suds off the shampoo. We're going to give it a big dry after this. My mate wanted me to start actually doing some work, so I did have to start doing some work. So unfortunately we didn't get the drying process on, but I'll come back to you when it's all nice and fresh. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a like. So as you can see, the lorry's nice and shiny now. We went over everything, tyre shine on every wheel. We also added a temporary ceramic by Dual Auto Care. It's called Flex. It's a water sealant. It lasts to 6 to 8 weeks. We thought we'd treat them with that just as an extra for booking us in. I hope everyone watching enjoyed the show. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button below, and we'll see you again on the next video. Don't forget to comment below where you're from. See you next time.